Zanaya, life of Zanaya, 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 Zanaya.
Hey you guys, it's Anaya, and I am getting ready to prepare for homecoming. I am about to take my hair down so that I can get my hair done, get my nails done, and try to find an outfit for homecoming. Homecoming isn't until next week, but I have to get my hair done the week before because I have events going into the week. So it's just a lot going on, but of course I'm going to vlog it. Last year I was able to do a lot of stuff, but this year I'm able to do almost everything, so I'm excited about it. We have a sneaker ball, which I was able to do last year. I was able to do, because I'm not sure if I said that right, but I was able to do that last year. We're having that again this year. Then we have the little carnival thing that I also did last year. But what I wasn't able to do was the bash, which I can't remember who all they had last year, but this year we're having the baby and my TV fat. I actually don't listen to either one of them, but I'm gonna go. We're also doing a comedy show, and we're having Funny Marco, and I see him a lot on TikTok, and he's supposed to be bringing a guest, so I'm excited to see who that is and what that is about. And we also have a couple of other events. I'm trying to think about them, but at the same time, I ain't got to prolong it, because this video is just simply going to be the get ready with me as I prepare for homecoming, and then as homecoming week go, I will take y'all along the journey of actually going to the events. But we're about to get into it. I'm about to take my hair down, and that's it. Hey you guys, it's Anaya. I've obviously taken my hair down. I wore it in the fro for a couple of days, and now that it's actually time for me to get my hair done, I put it in a little thing. But my auntie is here, so I'm about to go with her so I can go and get my hair did, y'all. And yeah, I did a new little makeup look. I put the little pink in my inner creases, but it kind of just make it look like I didn't blend my makeup. And then I use a lighter concealer, so I'm kind of like trying to test it out. That's why I'm looking like that. But anyways, y'all, that's pretty much it. I will get back on camera once I'm in the car. Hey y'all, it's Anaya, and we just left the beauty supply store. We don't change the hairstyle a billion and one times, so I ain't gonna tell y'all what it is because I still don't really know what it's gonna be. I just know it's gonna be cute. Period. But the little song was beaming, so I got to get on the camera because I already ain't even been talking for it. I just been recording. So yeah. Titi, say hey.
Hey. Ooh, hey. I like name right, baby.
It was right.
Hey. Hey y'all. You don't matter that.
So yeah. But I'm gonna get back once my Titi doing my hair because I have to get it washed and blow dry because Titi looking like Celia under this cap. My head.
Ain't no TT.
Titi looking like Celia under the cap. I'm not bald-headed, y'all. My puff is puffy. Really?
You should have shampooed it.
No, Titi, I need a good wash. I don't shampoo it right.
It's not gonna be washed good.
I need a really good wash. So I can't wash my hair. I'm gonna let my TT wash my hair. And she agreed. Now she trying to tell me I should have did it.
You should have did it.
No.
Should have did it.
No. Anyways, y'all. Deuces.
Want you all the way around, but you buy where you like it. It's like we could try it. Relax and let me sneak a move. You can between.
I was giving scissor. It looks like scissor. Thank you, my auntie did it. Teacher, don't burn me, please. Okay, you guys, I'm about to go, but tomorrow I get my nails done, y'all. So y'all gonna see the look or whatever. Anyway, 50 say deuces. Ooh. Girl, say deuces. Hey you guys, it's Anaya. I'm currently in my car waiting to go to my nail appointment. I booked it for 7 because I didn't think I would have enough time, but I got time because baby, I'm 30 minutes early. 30 minutes is a lot of time. But I just wanted to kind of get on the camera and sit down for to get my nails done because they've been rusted, busted, and crusted. I've been actually using press-ons for a good minute. So I'm happy that I'm getting my nails done because I've like mastered the press-ons, and I don't mind doing the press-ons, but getting my nails done is like a maintenance thing, and something that I actually really enjoy. So I need to try to make a habit of doing it for myself every now and again. I usually do the press-ons on my hands and then go and get my feet done, so I kind of still get some type of pampering. But I think I'm gonna do it vice versa this time because I actually chipped my toe. My toenails are kind of even, they're looking real nice, real good. I chipped my big toe, so I think I'm going to do the press-ons on my toes this time, and then if I do it, I'll record it, of course, and then I'm going to get my nails done now. That's pretty much it. My hair done, I showed that process. I'm going to show the process on my nails. I go and get my eyebrows tinted tomorrow, something I really wanted to do, and I got paid today, so I was like, I'm going to go do it. I had actually booked it before I got paid, but I knew I wanted to do it. So anyways, that's pretty much it, y'all. I will get back on camera once she starts with my nails.
I'm a fly Priscilla, I'll just prepare. So mesmerized by that ass. The way she moves it.
Hey you guys, it's Anaya, and I am headed to go get my eyebrows tinted, and I'm really running behind, so I hope they allow me to still come in. My appointment was for 10:45. It is now 10:50, and I have a 9-minute grace period. But y'all, be for real. Anyways, I just wanted to get on the camera real quick in a hurry, but I'm driving and this ain't safe. So, hey you guys, so I did get my eyebrows tinted. It did tint me a little bit on my actual skin, but I think it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I did buy a tint from the Beach Supply store. They kind of did the same thing, and it was the same process. So will I ever do it again? Probably not. It was only $18 here, and it's probably, I think that's how much the kit was, and you can do it a lot of different times. So to just be doing it for this video, straight, but to just be doing it continuously, I don't think so. I'm not gonna say where I went, only because I don't want y'all to think like it was a bad place, because my person was really good. I actually went to a wax place, so let me tell y'all about that, because I wasn't even coming in there for no wax. But your first bikini area is free, so they sold me on that. And I'm tell you this, baby, I'm not sexually active. I ain't even got no boyfriend no more. I don't even be doing, look, I be doing this, that, and the third. Whoever just getting the waxes for fun or for a dude, baby, they got to be a husband. They got to be doing something, because that stuff hurted. That stuff hurt. She was like, do you want me to finish? No, I don't. Like, I was like, ma'am, do you not know who I am? And she did, of course, but like, girl, little old me is hurting. I couldn't do. I just knew when you walked up in here, you was just not gonna do it. How did you know? Cause no. And the funny thing is, me and my mom was just talking about getting the wax the other day, and I was like, I mean, maybe if you wax me, mother. And she was just like, I don't want to wax you, baby. You don't never have to worry about me asking you again, because you don't have to wax me. I don't want to be waxed, babe. So yeah, and I just got, when I say the inner thigh, like my bikini area, that's it. Like when you wear a bikini and your legs show, that's all I got. And baby, 0 out of 10 would not recommend. My eyebrows, I would say good customer service. I even left her a good tip. But just go to the Beach Supply store and not buy not the eyebrow pencil, but the eyebrow tint. Do the same thing. Anyways, you guys, I got a lot of stuff to do and some work to finish, so I'm about to head back to the dorm. I actually want to go to a couple of stores too, and I'm gonna see if I got time to even do that for real, because I also have to be at work. But for the most part, that's it. My outfits I did not really like, and not gonna count to you. They look good on me, but they're just hot, and this season is just like in the transition of like it's really hot instead of cold, like it's supposed to be for the fall. So I'm not really loving my outfits for homecoming. But I'm just taking it as I got it because I can't really do nothing. It's literally in 2 days. Today's Friday. It starts Sunday. So really, yeah, it's like 2 days. So I'm a little frustrated about that. Hopefully, kind of run up on 1 or 2 pieces at the store, and that way I can just add on to it. Anyways, that's all. Hey you guys, it's Anaya, and today is the second day of homecoming. I didn't record the first day because I didn't do the event. It was like a rodeo themed situation, and I had too much going on. It was on a Sunday. I got to church, baby, so it was it was a lot. But anyways, today's event is the comedy show with Funny Marco, and he's bringing a guest. I'm actually very excited about it because I've seen Funny Marco little snippets through Instagram. I don't watch him on YouTube, but I have seen him, so I'm kind of excited to see what that's going to be about. Yeah, I'm not getting ready at the moment. I had class this morning because during homecoming you still of course have classes and stuff, so I did go to class and everything, and I straightened up my room. I still have so much to do in my room because I washed my clothes, and there's a big pile of clothes on that bed, and then of course this is my actual bed that I've cleaned. And then today's October the 30th. Our homecoming is like the first week of November, end of October. And my residents, they asked for a Christmas tree. If you guys been with me for a minute, then y'all know that old girl bought a Christmas tree last year, but I didn't buy any ornaments. So I went to the store and bought some little ornaments today from the Dollar Tree because be so for real. And so I'm excited about that. And I also have some assignments to do, so I'm about to play around with it. I also got some of my residents some gifts. I had them play games to like win it or whatever. And throughout November, I'm going to keep doing that because some people do not celebrate Christmas or so forth and so forth. So I wanted to still make it kind of like my version of Christmas, but still respecting their values, their morals, their goals. So I'll get back on the camera once I like fix my makeup, which I really think I want to do. Just wash my makeup off and redo it. It's something I like to do, kind of just make it look as fresh as possible. And I also need to revamp my hair, add some more heat to it, because my natural hair is out at the top, and then of course there's additional hair at the back, and go from there. But anyways, y'all. Hey you guys, I just finished brushing my teeth, washing my face, and putting some contact solution in my eyes. I'm about to go in with my Everskin Healthy Glow. Well, I can't say healthy today. And I stripped away oil. That's why I like to, when I'm adding makeup or I'm doing something at nighttime and I already have makeup on, I like to just strip it off because I have an oily face in general. So I strip away all the oil that accumulated from the first set. I add a little bit more oil because I have a very oily skin, a very dry skin. It's not necessarily in between. And so I take a little bit of oil and I work it through my face. And I just kind of let it sit. It is only like 5:30, so I'm about to start working on my hair. The event is until 7, and I plan to get there about 6:30 because I would like to get a seat in the front area. So I'm about to start it on up. Got one of my bands to help separate the other hair. And we just gonna pull my leave out closer to the front, because one thing for sure and 3 things for certain, I got to be cute. I'm always cute. Honest, I'm cute when I need to be cute, but if my hair napping, that's like a real big part of life, or a real big part of a style or a look, and everything just looks a hot mess. So I'm about to get this hair looking together because it wasn't looking necessarily bad, but it most definitely could be blended better now that it's been a couple of days since I've had my hair done. And so we're about to do that, and yeah. Hey guys, it's Anaya, and I'm about to start preparing for this event. It is currently 6:15. The event starts at 7. So I'm about to start doing my makeup. Do y'all want to see me do my makeup? I feel like I always show me doing my makeup, and it's the same process. I only wear concealer, even though I have foundation. I have the Juvia's Place. I only wear concealer, and I put them here, 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 here. Then I do a lighter one. Then I do like under my eyes. Have my lashes done. My brows are tinted at the moment, so I don't really do too much with them. Do lip liner, and then I do powder. So honestly, I'm not about to record it, but I'll be back before I put my clothes on and kind of just show y'all. Hey y'all, so I did my makeup. I said I wasn't gonna record, but I did. And obviously I got powder on, so please don't be stupid. But anyways, leave it up. Get dressed. Show y'all my shoes. This whole outfit is from Shein, by the way, and I'm so happy about it because it's just A1 fire to me. Like, I thought I was that girl before, but when I be putting my clothes on, or better yet, when I like order something, they come out exactly how I wanted it to. It's giving I'm that girl. I'm that girl. I know how to dress myself. So yeah. I can hear my grandma now. Self-praise is scandalizing tonight. But grandmother, you got to hype yourself up in this generation. Baby, they just want to tear you down every time. Every time, but not me. And y'all spraying the mess out of my face because I want that junk to be on there. Anyways, y'all, I will get back on this camera once I am headed there, and we can go from there.
Turn that shit up, brother. Baby, what's up? Yeah, this gangsta shit. This ain't the comedy right here. You see it? This gonna be a cold summer. to a different school. Let's get it started. All right, y'all.
Hi you guys, it's Anaya and we leaving the Funny Marco thingy. Child, that man ain't did nothing but what is called when you talking and then getting somebody else. He was hosting. He was being the host of what he was supposed to be the whole person of. And it's still going, but it's giving. He ain't finna. He not finna say nothing funny.
Oh God.
So we leaving because I'm hungry. I ain't ate all day, and I ain't got to stay there for that. And it's cold.
Thought it was gonna be better than that, no.
No, for real. Like, I thought he was gonna set up a little interview type of thing. They said he's gonna bring a guest. He done brought about 5 of them. And
Random guess at that.
random people. So, no. Bad said it was a 0 out of 10, never try again. I don't know if I'd never tried again, but I don't know.
Like I said, you want to get.
They got to make them sign a contract saying that they're going to do what they're supposed to do. Because even the head lady was like, I don't know if he gonna do this or that. Baby,
We're out.
next time they finna start knowing what they finna do when they get on this stage. Because he done brought in some unknown rappers and some more rapping. It was just... No. But anyways, y'all, I look cute though. Bad took me some pictures, so... that was the main part. I really just wanted to take pictures, so I ain't worried about it at all. I'm gonna eat and have a jolly out there. Did I say I want to Taco Bell? I really want American Deli.
Dude, so crazy.
That's really what I want, because it smells like American Deli up in there at first.
You just want some wings?
Y'all. And then this girl told me to try American Deli lemon pepper hot, but I've been trying the hot honey. Ooh.
I'm about some food. Don't be on the toilet later on.
Ooh, and they season their fries. Y'all, I'm gonna get a half and half. I'm gonna get lemon pepper hot with hot honey.
Dude, so crazy. Food.
Anyways, this is... Hey you guys, it's Anaya, and today is day 3 or 4 of homecoming. I'm not sure, but I skipped yesterday, which was the sneaker ball because I had work. And today I've been at class all day, and I have actually some work to do now. I've been in class since 9 o'clock this morning. I didn't get off till what, 12 o'clock the following day. So yeah, my light is gonna die. I need to start charging this junk, but I be doing a lot because during homecoming there's still school, and that's the crazy part. Like, I feel like we should have a little break or something. But y'all, anyways, I'm about to do some work. Kind of go from there. I'll get back on the camera once I put my clothes on and stuff for this afternoon. We're going to the Ox Court Wars, and I just wanted to get on the camera and kind of say that I'm about to take me a little nap because, yeah, I was supposed to work the 6 to 9 this morning. I overslept, but I had just got off at 12, and I had worked 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. Y'all, them shifts are for a real one. My sister was on the phone. I was like, couldn't be me, and I was like, girl, I got them goals, man, and they won't let me sit down. But anyways, I will see y'all when I see y'all. Hey you guys, it's Anaya, and I put on my little set. We're going to Oxford Wars, so I'm just doing something real simple, real cute. I'm an RA, and I'm actually on call today, so got this phone too, and I'm running behind, which I'm never rushing for real, because they don't start nothing on time. We don't establish that, so Not rushing. Yeah, okay, so like I said, like I was saying, not in celebration because they don't start nothing on time, but yeah, real pretty, real cute. That's really it. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit in the mirror and then I'm about to go. Hey you guys, it's Anaya and we are leaving Oxcourt Wars. It was 10,000% better than the comedy show. Like I really, really, really liked it. Max, what you think?
I think it was I give it a 9. It's straight. That joint was lit, no lie.
So why is it 9 instead of 10?
Cause I would say some of them folks, they ain't know what they were playing for real. No lie.
I give it a 10 out of 10. I like stuff like that. Like I'm a music person and then I always just like looking cute and going to places. So I give it a 10 out of 10 because my outfit is cute and I like music and like the little lights and stuff. Like that's my thing. But other than that, yeah, I'm on Bass back, y'all. Ain't that so cute?
You're beautiful.
Thank you. So anyways, y'all, we vibing or whatever. We always leave early. I'm on call tonight for one. Quincy was like, I don't want you to get in trouble, but I'm okay.
Yeah, I don't want you to get fired, kid.
No, I don't get no fired. I already talked to the people and told them I'm coming to the thing. You a student first.
For sure.
Period. Let me go. My arm hurt. You can drop me down. Okay. But I had put Bass to work. But y'all, I think that job was fine. Fit check. Yeah. So, had a good old jolly time. Oh, I thought you could see the wind, but you can't. I mean, not the wind. But yeah. The next thing we gonna be doing is going to the game. So I'll see y'all when we going to the game. Hey you guys, it's Anaya and I've obviously gotten ready for the game. I have on this tiger what is called maxi dress. It's not cold outside, but it does have a little breeze and it is a thick material, so I'm happy about that. Getting ready to do that. I got on my little hat or whatever and I did my makeup. That's pretty much it, y'all. I just want to get on the camera because I haven't gotten back on here since the other day. But let me get in the sunlight. Yeah. So anyways, y'all, I will see y'all once I'm actually at the game and start tailgating everything. Yeah.
Rock with me now.
Hey you guys, it's Anaya and we just left the football game. Y'all, it was so hot outside. I thought it was gonna be cold. It was like a good week. You know, I was complaining when I first put my outfits on that it was gonna be a hot week. And y'all, why was it hot? It started out cold, but that game was hot. So we left during halftime and no regrets given. Quincy paid $5 for a Darren Sprite. That's $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Not me. So now we're finna go to Sonic and get us a good old extra large slushie that's finna be $2 in the app. Okay? Cause y'all call me cheap or whatever, but like, no. So anyways, yeah, we're finna do that, then walk around the mall. We're going to a party tonight and that's gonna be the completion of homecoming. So far it's been pretty decent. Like it ain't been real bad or real good. It's just been like in the middle. And I didn't do anything last year, so it's something more than last year. And my outfit's hitting. Like that's really all I really care about. It's like my outfit's really cute. So 10 out of 10 to me, if we be honest. What you think, Bass?
10 out of 10. Like you said, the outfit.
The outfit's been hitting. So, anyways, y'all, we'll come back like once we walking around the mall. I don't really plan on buying nothing. My mom just bought me some shoes because I'm the favorite child, and she was like, "What you want?" So yeah, my girl hooked me up today. I don't really plan on buying nothing, but we just gonna walk around and kind of pass some time, and that's all. That's it. Hey guys, it's Anaya and I put on my outfit for the party. I did my makeup, well I added more makeup to my makeup to kind of like make my under eye brighter now that it's like I've had my makeup done all day. And then of course I took my hat off to expose my nappy hair. But other than that, we're about to head to the party. I went over my grandma's house. We made some broccoli cheddar soup and she added some shrimp within it, and then she made some Red Lobster biscuits and that was pretty good. So we wasn't going anywhere with an empty stomach. We also went to the mall. I ended up getting some Bath and Body Works mall flower thingies because they're on sale for $2. And I think they're regular $7 for the little scent things, and I love to put them in my dorm room. So I got 4 of those. I tried to call mom and tell her about it, but that lady didn't even answer the phone, so yeah. But anyways, y'all, that's pretty much that. I'm going to show y'all my outfit, and then we're going to head there, and then I'm not going to necessarily get back on the camera, but I'll show y'all the party or whatever, and then I'll kind of end the video.
So us the brick boys got it all night. These lame ass niggas ain't got no fight. Kick in my door, we gon' shoot out all night.
Ooh, take it out. Take it out. Ooh, oh, thank you, Jesus. Woo. Hey guys, it's Anaya and we just left the party. Here's my Here's my feet or whatever. I kind of showed it earlier, and I said like put pictures as I'm talking, but yeah, the party was alright. It was dismount, and my shoes too tight. Yeah, my shoes were tight to the butt. I mean, my shoes was hurting so bad. Like as soon as I walked out, I had bags to take them off. Cause it was even a struggle to take them off, y'all. Feet burning. But other than that, it was pretty chill. It had a lot of music with bass music. I didn't know none of the music is. But that's fine. We're finna get some McDonald's and call it a night. I got some assignments to do because y'all homecoming, you still got work to do. Don't nobody tell you that. I'm also RA and I'm on call tonight, so that's just unfortunate, but it's okay. We got free housing. So anyways, y'all, that's the end of this video. I'm about to get my life together and do everything I need to do. I hope that y'all had a good homecoming or a good homecoming to come. If you're thinking about going to U of M, don't worry about it being a PWI, because honestly, there's an equal amount of each ethnicity at our school. Fun fact, so we're no longer PWI. It's called something else at the moment. Like, we're actually like a set thing because we have an equal amount of ethnic rate. But it's hard for me to say that. But nevertheless, y'all, homecoming was pretty decent. I was not able to do a lot last year. If you watched my last homecoming video, I did like the bare minimum. So I'm happy I was able to go out. And shout out to my parents for hyping me up, because I dressed myself in all of that good little stuff or whatever. But they just be hyping me up, and I love that for me. They also just be making sure. Yeah, that's a big dip in the road, and he knew what to do. He knew to turn me up and not mess my car up, because I only got one. Chris, why are you coming on this side? This one's definitely not the right side. It's the side right here. It does matter. This fool here. This man come out the wrong side of the road.
We sure got out the jump, didn't we? God, man, you just a hater.
But yeah, y'all, shout out to also the parking person up in there, because the parking, to pay the parking is $30. 30, bro. That's some shoes. That's 2-3 outfits. Like, we weren't paying it. So we were just playing it by guys. So like, I don't want my car to get broken in. So we just not going. We ain't gonna park it on the street. But we went up in there, and he was just like, I know y'all didn't pay the money. And we acted like we did to see what he was gonna say. But he was like, no, next time y'all come, stop paying it. That's crazy. Especially when we was there. We was at the party for 2 hours. $30 for 2 hours, be for real. When we went to prom, we was there for 3-4 hours and paid, I think, $20. I can see 20. 30, the extra 10 is wild. But y'all, anyways, y'all, good night. Once again, hope that y'all enjoyed y'all's homecoming. I think mine was pretty decent. Like I said, I'm more of a outfit girly. Like, I just like to see what I'm gonna think of, what I'm gonna come up with, and I think my outfits are pretty fire. And like I said, my parents approve. Like, please don't think I'm telling my parents to think, because one thing for sure, two things for certain, if I do it, my parents gonna know. I'm sorry, I'm one of them girls. Like, I grew up with my mama. We ain't besties, but we besties. Like, she most definitely punch me in my chest, go off on me if I do something stupid. But if you can't tell your mama, who can you tell? If you can't go to Bella No Chase, where can you go? That's how I feel about my mama. So anyways, y'all, deuces. See y'all in the next video.
It's an eye,